So ladies and gentlemen, if we're going to divide, so far we've covered add, subtract, multiply, divide, or add, subtract, and multiply. When we're looking into dividing, the main important thing is, oh, I didn't have any of those, did I? We might have to go back and look at that. I'll have to go back and look at the plans. But when we're looking into dividing, basically what I want you guys to understand, I represents an imaginary unit, right? Yes? So let's think about what exactly does dividing mean? Dividing is asking you how many times does something divide into something. Yes, Paige? Paige? Dividing means, so if I said, Paige, 3 divided into 12, what is the answer to that? Yes, because 3 divides into 12 4 times. That makes sense, right? So if I say, how many times does I, a number that is imaginary, it doesn't have this physical value that we have, except that we understand that it's the square root of -1, we don't really have a value for this. How many times does that divide into -7? It doesn't really make as much sense because it's an imaginary number. So basically the way to simplify these is we want to rewrite this expression without I in the denominator. We don't want to divide by I. So to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by I. Now what that's going to do is that is now going to take us to a -7i divided by I squared. So the purpose of dividing, especially when we have a monomial, when we just have the imaginary unit on the denominator, if we multiply just by I, we get I squared, which is equivalent to -1. So our final answer is just 7i. Done. So look at that.